Yo, peace and love, guys. No previously last episode this time because I am under the gun to get this video out. So let's just jump right into it. We have the Union for Taupe Haze. Got the YDM on the box right there. And don't condone the resale of these shoes that they send me. I just get them. I'm a cameraman. I make the videos. I keep it pushing. So let's go ahead and take it out the box. I always thought that was the weirdest piece of paper, the back of Michael Jordan's head. A little note in there. And what is this? Let's hold on. Let's actually read this. It's an honor to present you with the special... Okay, collection, Union, Jordan brand. I. Let's see. Project started about 2 years ago. Yeah. The vid stopped it all. Civil rights, all that stuff erupted. And what? Our project has evolved. You guys see that? Evolved? Is that a word? Please tell me. In an effort to unite our supporter community, we partnered with 5 local independent. Man, okay, the spelling's off on this, and I don't know who did this, but they didn't spell this correctly. That's all I'm gonna say. No disrespect. At least they got black businesses correct. Upcoming launch, include this gift bag. Didn't see a gift bag. I invite you to please continue to support these businesses and other local black-owned businesses as we try to reverse the effects of over 400 years, actually longer than 400 years, of social and economic injustice in this country. In addition, you'll notice a jump drive. What? I ain't get no flash drive or jump drive like that. We've included with a special announcement from the unions. And of course, please enjoy the kicks. I do enjoy them, and shout out to the gifter that got me this sneaker. So let's keep moving. All right, here's the other side of the union card. Looks pretty cool. And let's go ahead and pull the sneakers out. Let's set them down here. And let's just go ahead and compare them to the, what are those called again? The Desert Mosses. Desert Mosses. The Desert Mosses are dope. I like these Taupe Hazes a little better than the Desert Mosses, but you know, I got both, so it really doesn't matter at this point. Showing you guys both is just to compare the construction of them. You can see there's obvious differences. So I'm showing you guys, we just kind of look at the cut. The cut's totally different. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Desert Moss by itself for a second. Then we'll go back to the, I'm getting these names. We'll go back to the other one later. So let's go ahead and pull the other one out. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. That suede on the upper does transition. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna resist. On this one, I want to. I usually don't do that. I leave that to other creators to do that. It's kind of played to me. But man, these materials are good, and I would recommend to go a half size up with the Union 4s. For some reason, all this extra doubled up material that I really like, it is just really hard to get like a true to size pair. So in my experiences, I had the noirs, the off noirs, and those were just killing my feet. Like, not my baby toe, the entire shoe was killing my foot. So had to get rid of those, and I'll have to get another pair later. There's the back of these. That looks pretty good. That lines up with the eye. And here's the medial side of the sneaker. You can see I've been playing with that suede a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, I was playing with it, but I ain't gonna do it on camera. Here's the back of it's probably the other sneaker at this point. They did the back really well, and that's kind of where my eyes go right when I pull these out. I love yellow on sneakers. It's kind of a golden, orangish, whatever. Got the Air Jordan. Not going to undo the tongue and iron it and all that stuff. I'm going to leave that to Chills Kicks. I do think that looks dope, though, when you iron it out and make it look nice and uniform. Just showing some of the cuts, the toe boxes, close-ups on the materials. And again, the materials, the quality, whatever they used on these, man, that's got to be like what the retail ones look like. I don't know, but there's a nice top-down view, and the shoe just looks really kind of classy. Let's pull the insole out. It was really easy to pull these out, and I noticed when they're these polyurethane insoles, they come out of the sneaker easy, and they feel the best on foot. So shout out to the Jordan 11. Got the inside there, size 10. Remember, half size up. I strongly recommend that. Not sure about retail. Here's the Desert Moss in comparison again. Okay, they do crease a little bit. That Desert Moss got a little bit of crease on it. Showing you guys the back, little imperfection on there. And these are off. Like, when you look at it now, it's like, yee, those are off. Look again. But I'm still gonna wear them though, and I got them sitting right behind me. Actually, I'm gonna probably wear them tomorrow. Both got that yellow on the bottom. The laces are really close. I love the laces. Like, back in my day, we used to have like these speckle laces. I used to put them in Jordans, and it was dope. Yeah, those backs are not the same, man. Not even close. On the black light, there's something interesting you'll see at the very end. And yeah, there's markings. And you guys are like, yo, how do you get those markings off? You got to realize they can't even make this shoe without those markings. Like, they have to have those markings to make the shoe. Like, if they just freestyled it and didn't use those markings, you wouldn't even have a Union Jordan 4. You have a Union something else, Looney Tune. It would be a whole abomination of a sneaker. Now, you see the one on the right, which I think is a Desert Moss. The sole is like sail, but the other is purple, and I don't think that's a good thing. Yo, what's going on, guys? Peace and love, peace and love. Back with another video, and I forgot my camera bag somewhere, and now I'm using my old camera. I have no mic for it, so I'm just kind of winging it right now. Probably could have used my phone, but the old camera's still fun. I don't have my good lens, but you know, that's kind of my problem. So the audio is probably sounding pretty funky. It's going to pick up wind, it's going to pick up hisses, it's going to pick up all the pops and piss and pat. That doesn't mean I still can't complete this video, because I have still so many to do. Man, I'm never doing this again. Like, at this point, I'm just like, the hell with these videos at this point. I swear to you. I mean, it is what it is, man, you know? And I know that's something that comes with the job, and I've signed up for this, and I've complained before, and I've got over it. But at this point, man, you know, it's like, it's cool when you get a sneaker, but when they're like, yo, you know what, let's just get to the on foot. I'm sorry for the whining, guys. Let's just get right to the on foot. That's what you're here for, right? You're not here to see me cry on camera. Okay, that's pretty much it. Wish it could have been a little bit better, but you know, when you're just kind of not feeling it, you just ain't feeling it. You can't force feeling it. Like, I would love to maybe jump up on something, you know, maybe do a backflip, ninja kick, you know, but it's just like, nah. A gift, I appreciate the shoe, though. Don't think for 1 second I'm being ungrateful for the shoe. I love the shoe. I bet my audio is just sucking right now. But I love the shoe. It's actually pretty much my favorite, it's my favorite Union sneaker out of all four of them, out of all the Jordan 4s. This one takes the cake. So on a positive note, I love them. And these actually look like the best pair I've ever had, too, as far as quality-wise. So that's a win-win. Other than that, man, there's just not really much I can show you. I don't really have any stories. And it didn't help that I stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning last night watching that Beckett movie. I was like, interesting. That's probably what it's really like if I were to go over there. But anyway, that's it, guys. Make sure you follow me on IG. You know, social media, that stuff. I don't condone the sneakers. I just make the videos. I really don't care how you guys, you know, view that. If you wear fake shoes, real shoes, flip-flops, sandals, I don't care what you wear. That's it. Peace, love, light. I think that'll do it. This should be like at least 6 minutes. Peace. Go ahead and break down the technical specs of the sneaker. There's suede, leather, some synthetics, and there's colors on them. There's very nice, vibrant colors.